She a Playboy bunny. Ain't shit sweet, but she tastes like honey. 25 racks, I'ma throw a few hundred. She know what it is.
Hey guys, morning, afternoon, night, whatever time you're watching, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For today's video is a makeup related video and I'm so excited because last year hindi ako nakagawa ng ganitong klaseng video. Last year nga sabi ko babawi na lang ako this year kasi nga pandemic noon and pandemic pa rin naman hanggang ngayon, pero sabi ko no one's gonna stop me, not even COVID, from doing my Halloween look. So kahit nandito lang tayo sa bahay, might as well still feel that Halloween event. Kahit nandito lang ako sa kwarto, go na go lang ako. Dito lang talaga ako nagpo-photoshoot lately. Sa bawat corner ng kwarto ko, aminin nyo yan sa mga content creators din dyan. This year's Halloween look will be Playboy Bunny. Ito yung no-brainer kind of Halloween look dun sa mga gusto lang magpa-cute, magpa-sexy, ganun. I really don't know kung paano ko siya gagawin, but we'll see. Let's go with the flow na lang kung ano man yung ma-feel kong vibe for today's look. So without further ado, let's start this video. I'm planning to do like the magazine Playboy, something like this. Yan. Basta yung parang Playboy magazine that I will be posting also on my Instagram. And I also bought costume talaga for this look. Kasi simple lang naman yung costume niya. I'm feeling like a glowy makeup, dewy makeup, something everyday kind of makeup. Kasi bawing-bawi naman tayo sa outfit, talagang fierce and bold talaga yung outfit natin. So I'm planning to do like a simple glowy makeup. Pagdating naman sa glowy makeup, feeling ko talaga ang pinaka-importante dyan is yung base. And considering that I have dry and sensitive skin, nahihirapan din talaga ako mukhang natural na glowy or glass skin na makeup kasi nasa pagsa-skincare yon and talagang nahihirapan ako, pero I'll really try my best to prep my skin kasi yun yung key doon. So I will be using this Eye White Aqua Moisturizer. After putting on moisturizer, I will go straight on my CC cream from Snail White, yung sunscreen. May coverage to guys, pero hindi yung sobra-sobrang plakadong coverage. Ayan, makikita nyo na medyo may onting glowy na yun dito sa may cheeks area ko. Kaya favorite ko tong sunscreen na to kasi sobrang nagbibigay niya yung parang natural glow dun sa skin ko, considering that I really have dry skin. For my concealer, of course, my ever favorite na the Sem Tip Concealer na ubus na talaga. I will go straight on my cream blush, and yung favorite ko pa rin is itong Velvet Flush ng Detail in the shade Bow. Super onti lang dito sa may area lang ng side ng cheeks natin. Let's now proceed with glow stick. Ito yung nagpapa-glass skin ng skin ko, especially pagka gusto ko talaga ng glowy makeup. This is the e.l.f. Morning Dew Natural Glow Stick. So lalagay ko lang siya dito sa may highest points ng face ko. Just like a highlighter. Ang ayoko lang dito, medyo malagkit talaga siya sa skin. Pero Carry Bells naman, pag naset ng onti-onting powder lang, like pat-pat lang ng powder. For our powder today, I will be using an affordable powder na love ko. This one is from Fashion 21 Two-Way Cake Papaya Extract SPF 35. Super love ko tong powder na to on days na parang gusto ko yung fresh lang, ganun. And I got this one, a recommendation from Kenny Manala. I really trust him when it comes to makeup. Super galing niya. Like, talagang mga affordable na good quality na mga makeup. Now for my brows, lately na-realize ko I wanted to go back to the thin kind of natural looking thin brows lang. Because napansin ko talaga lately sa mga makeup na ginagawa ko, I mean, not lately, for the past months na ginagawa kong makeup, talagang very thick eyebrows siya. Pero I'm starting not to like it anymore. I don't know, maybe I need a change of look. I don't know, mga iba-iba talaga yung mood natin. Next, for our brows, I will be using the Super Fine Liner by Detail Cosmetics. You know how much I love using pomades kasi very, very sleek and on point talaga pag ginagawa yung brows ko using pomade. And this is like a pencil type of pomade for me kasi very, very slim yung tip niya na talagang magiging precise talaga yung paggawa niya ng brows. I'm done with my brows. Super natural. Natural ba? Pero hindi kasing kapal. Katulad ng ginagawa ko before na talagang super kapal. Ito, sakto lang sa paningin ko. By the way, bago yung brushes ko, share ko lang sa inyo. Super dami na niya. I got the volume 2 ng Kind Beauty na brushes. Super love ko tong brushes na to. No, I've been using this for more than a year already. As in, I've featured this matagal na sa channel ko. And ever since I got my hands on this one, grabe, I can't stop using it. Kaya nung naglabas sila ng volume 2 na brushes, which includes yung mga fan contour na ganyan, mga pang-precise na highlighter na ganyan, I immediately got it. Kasi super lambot niya sa face and hindi siya mahirap gamitin. Share ko lang. Just a happy purchase lang naman. Ganun. It's not sponsored. Then I'll be using the Taviant Contour Jelly Eugenia Sculpt to Bronze in the shade Morocco. I love it. I love this. Bala ko maglagay ng shimmer shade. Now for our cream highlighter, syempre yung favorite ko is the Moon Beauty. Same with kung saan ko nilagay yung glow stick kanina, doon ko lang ilalagay yung highlighter. Now, the powder highlighter that I will be using is the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Rose Gold Molten. Let's now proceed with my false eyelashes, and I've been hoarding a lot of false eyelashes recently from Polash because ngayon ko pa lang na-try. Grabe, sa ilang taon na ako nagbe-makeup, ngayon ko pa lang po ita-try yung Polash. Please do not attack me. So here it is. I got the gold bar collection and I also had a customized na 5 lashes, but I really don't know. This one is not sponsored. I really wanted to try their lashes for the longest time. But, akala ko, hype lang talaga siya for nothing. Pero, grabe, nakita ko talaga yung mga TikTok videos. And recently talaga sabi ko, I need to try it. Parang sobrang natural looking and maganda nga talaga siya. Parang promising talaga yung product nila. So, hindi ko mabuksan. I have here God Gosh, Slay, Fab, and Dam. Ito pala yung mga napili ko. I forgot. Lahat sila magaganda. Wait lang. Give me a moment of silence. Mga 1 hour.
Meanwhile.
Shoot, ang hirap. Siguro I'll go for Dam. Since bago to, tinitrim ko muna kasi I have a very small eyes. Chinita eyes. So this is how the lashes looks like. Ang ganda. Bet ko siya. It's been almost a year na sobrang obsessed ako gamitin yung AO4 ko na lashes from Shopee, and I haven't had the chance or given a chance. Hindi ako nabibigyan ng chance sa ibang false eyelashes kasi parang feeling ko I found the one with the AO4. But with this one, ang ganda. Ganda ng pagka-flare out niya dun sa may edge niya. I love it. Light lang yung nafe-feel kong gawing lipstick. Siyempre, let's not forget the mist. And this one is from Fresh Formula, the Glow Boost. Favorite ko to, as wala sa tong Hello Hydration. Pero ito usually ginagamit ko talaga pag walang makeup. Aayusin ko lang yung hair ko, tapos magko-costume na ako. Then babalik ako, guys. Let's see what will I come up with. So, ito na yung biggest transformation sa video na to. So, I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So, this is the final look and complete na yung pinaka-costume natin. So, etong set na to, I all got it from Shopee. Kung gusto niyo, ililink ko na lang down in the description. It's less than 200 pesos. So, kung gusto niyo rin mag-Playboy bunny this Halloween or kung gusto niyo lang umaura-aura for Halloween pictures then definitely get this. And then itong bodysuit na to, I originally got this one from, I don't know if Dunea or Winea. Basta, alin dun sa dalawang shop na yon. Yeah, sana nagustuhan niyo tong look na to kasi I really enjoyed it. Actually, sana lang may Halloween parties ngayon no? Kung hindi lang talaga pandemic. Karampa ako nang nakaganitong bodysuit talaga kahit mukha akong naka-swimsuit. But, yeah, ang ganda neto. Before you exit this video, please stay tuned until the end because may hinanda akong montage for you. And here it is.
She a Playboy bunny, ain't shit sweet, but she tastes like honey. 25 racks, I'ma throw a few hundred. She know what it is, take it straight to the crib. Then I hit it from the back, then I hit it from the back.